going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're with Eve and we're going to be removing the VQ from her soul. Went ahead and I taped the bolts onto the cold air intake so I don't forget. So if you guys start noticing, there's a bunch of little taped spots that have words on them, and what I'm doing is just writing where these connections or parts of the harnesses or hoses go onto the motor itself. So when I put this on the new motor, I don't get myself confused because I know that's going to be a headache. So I went ahead and I labeled everything. We have the VVT passenger side connection, and as well as this belongs to the top of the plenum, and as well as our grounds. I have all of them labeled. You want to go ahead and do this so that you don't confuse yourself. Part one of us taking down the VQ from the truck, and then hopefully being able to take down the one in the Z.
Look at that.
So Bobber and his brother ended up helping me take the engine down from the trunk, and one thing he did notice is that we're gonna still have to change the upper oil pan on this because it's snapped right here. I bought it like this, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that before installing. But today the main focus is to go ahead and take off Eve's old heart before we can install and do anything to that one. So you looking forward to this, bro?
I'm not. I'm not.
Okay. If you guys don't know, it's 1,000,000 degrees here in the shop. We definitely need to install some AC. We only have that fan going on, and the only AC we have is inside the office, which the door is closed right now, but something that we got to think about. It is wrapped, so we need to lay it somewhere. As you guys can tell, I am sweating in the shop. We have no AC whatsoever, but I want to let you guys know that it's my first time pulling a motor out. I've never done this before, so that's why I have Bobber over here helping me. Today is definitely going to be one of those long nights, but I'm excited to learn and happy that we finally got a new heart for Eve.
Tension on the bottom.
Checking to see if I got pit stains. Smell it.
Look at this. 1 long going, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this little wobbly.
If it works, it works.
Yeah, man.
Fuck. Holy shit. Did it go?
No.
It's turning.
Oh wait, it might go. Oh yeah, we're going. Keep going.
Advice numero uno. Never buy a 350Z.
One more.
More?
Yeah, another. More. Come on, you cheaty eyes. Alright, ready? 1, 2, Emily! Alright. Yo, it's out. It's out.
Holy shit. How do I get out? Oh, thank God I'm tall. Oh my God. Today we're going to be installing a new VQ35DE rev up on Eve. If you guys don't know, Eve threw out 2 thrust-bearing washers the other week, and it explains why she's been stalling and overheating and doing all these crazy things and throwing all these crazy codes on me for the past 2 months. I am super excited to do this. It's the first time I've ever pulled a motor in my life, so it's gonna be a learning experience, but I hope you guys don't judge me too much. I am learning as I'm going. I've never gone to school for this type of stuff, and I'm excited to share it with y'all. I want to give a huge shout out to 350Z.parts. In no way, shape, or form is this video sponsored by them. I did pay $2,000 for my new VQ. Well, it's not new. It has 130,000 miles on it. But I did pay $2,000 for it. I just want to give them a huge shout out because they are a reliable place. I have always shopped with them ever since I got the 350Z. I've been buying parts from them, and it's really hard to find some decently priced parts for 350s or even G35s. And he's the kind of person that you want to go to. His name is Oscar. Go hit him up at 350Z.parts. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can go check him out. Bobber just opened the back door and honestly felt like heaven, getting that breeze under my armpits. I have coolant all over the floor now because this piece, so this is the original breather valve from my old VQ, and thankfully I didn't throw it out because I'm gonna need it now. See this piece, this part right here? I don't know what happened to the one that came with this VQ, but it disintegrated just now. Let me show you. Do you see it? Look, it's pretty hot. I don't want to really touch it, but if you guys can zoom in there, look, it broke. It snapped off, and this is where it connects to. Look, it snapped off from right there. This shit is hot as balls. I'm gonna have to let this car sit for a minute.